not really good. Even I am tense like most of you. But life can't stop, right? We need to leave. We need to hope that one day everything will be fine and we get to do all the things that we love. We get to travel again. So today I brought for you one of my recommendations for a long drive on a weekend. This place is around 60 to 70 kilometers from Bangalore, where you can start in the morning and come back on the same day. It's not really a staycation, but it's more like a weekend destination. The place is called Makali Durga Hills. We searched for a few places around 100 kilometers in Bangalore for a weekend bike ride, and after a lot of searching and doubting whether which place will be good, safe, open, we finally zeroed on this place. It is about 60 to 70 kilometers from Bangalore city and will take around 2 hours on a normal day. We started around 5 a.m. in the morning. I think that's the best time to start for a bike trip because you get to avoid the traffic. One, and number two, you avoid the harsh sun rays as well. So we started, the four of us, we four friends, we started on this trip, and it was beautiful. We had no expectation how beautiful the place would be. In fact, what was more surprising was the journey. Actually, the moment we left Bangalore city and we started going towards the outskirts, we were greeted by beautiful scenery around. So there were forests on both sides and there was a hill in front. I can show you a few glimpses of the video of our road trip, and you'll see how liberating and breathtaking the views were. And finally when we reached, we discovered that the whole place was heavenly. As I said, it's a miraculous discovery. I kind of later figured out it's one of the popular places for trekking. We did not do trekking as such, but if you are interested in trekking and adventure, this is one of the options that you can definitely try out. If you need more information on this place, you can always Google and read several blogs which are available on the internet on people who've actually trekked, on the options available. And if you have any questions for me which I can help out with, please ask those questions to me by putting in your questions in the comment section. I'll try and address as much as possible, but first check out the photos and videos and see how beautiful there are places very near to your home, but still you would feel absolutely refreshed and rejuvenated when you spend a few hours there. really want more such recommendations from us, because we end up traveling a lot, and we have this new passion of sharing our travel videos with you all. If you really want to get such recommendations, then don't forget to hit like, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you have any questions on the places we recommend about, if you want to ask something more, don't hesitate to put your questions in the comment section. We're going to address those as far as possible. So keep watching the Bong Voyagers. Do also follow us on Instagram. We are in the same name, the Bong Voyagers. We will come back with more such videos. That's a promise. But before you can actually travel and follow recommendations, I request everybody to stay home, stay safe, and take very good care of yourself. Together we're going to fight this situation, and we will come out very successfully very soon. Let's keep the hope alive. Thank you.